Hello, today I'm going to talk about the Weruva Cats in the Kitchen grain-free wet cat food. And this one is mackerel and shrimp recipe au jus. I think that's how you pronounce that. And I love this brand, Weruva. I use different cat foods, but they're all kind of different in their own way. And I felt like I should talk about this one because my cat really likes this one, and I have a very, very picky cat. I think my cat is definitely more of a seafood cat than a poultry cat, and so the mackerel and shrimp definitely hits the spot for her. And my cat has a very sensitive stomach, and I try to be health conscious. I heard about it from my sister, and her cat really likes it, so I decided to buy some for my cat. And I feed her half in the morning, half at night. I also have some dry food. And canned food lasts a very, very long time, so I don't have to worry about things going bad or having to change it out all the time. I do buy many at once though. It's pretty lightweight. It's about 6 ounces. I wouldn't, take it on a plane with me unless I'm traveling with her, but it definitely is fine and for a few. I buy a bunch at a time, so I think like 12 at a time, and so I would just be wary that the more of them you have, the heavier it's going to be and the harder to carry, but I'm not very fit and I can still carry it. It has a lot of vitamins and antioxidants, no grain, no gluten, no MSG, no broth, no carrageenan, and no corn, no soy, no wheat, or artificial colors or preservatives. And I love that. Very high quality, I find, because I think my cat finds that too. I used to use like this cheap dry food that she just couldn't digest very well, and I was kind of at my wit's end and I didn't really know what to do, and then I found this food. So this flavor has a purple wrapper, but they definitely change colors throughout. And what's different about this one, I opened it up here so you can kind of get an idea and see what it looks like. This one here is more mushy, and it has, you can definitely see the shrimp in it and the mackerel pieces. I kind of just stuck the lid in here, and it definitely has a very strong smell, very pungent. So I am very glad that she eats it up very quickly because it definitely does impact my kitchen. And it comes in many flavors, but this one is really awesome too. So ingredients, here are some of them: fish broth, mackerel, tuna, shrimp, locust bean gum, sunflower seed oil, guar gum, fish oil, tricalcium phosphate. So you get the idea. It's got a lot in it, but most of the stuff is actually okay. In there, there's some vitamins, B12 supplement, folic acid, vitamin D3 supplement, all the stuff that I take. So I like that. I like that it's healthy for my cat. I like that my cat likes it. It is located in Massachusetts, Weruva International. And they say, feeding instructions, feed according to the age, size, and activity of the cat. If fed alone, feed 1 ounce for each pound of body weight daily, fed twice a day, best twice a day. So your cat should have access to clean, fresh water, well, of course, and refrigerate after opening. So my cat is definitely going to have a great dinner tonight. Weruva was founded over 10 years ago by David and Stacy Foreman. They are a family-owned company, and they definitely make some great products. Just take it from a cat. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope it was helpful to you or your pet. Have a great day.